The craving of each and every financial backer is to make extraordinary profits from their ventures and to get back in many folds what they have placed into the business. As a Tesla financial backer, how about putting resources into the stock long-term to assist you with procuring this much benefit in the future, as per mogul financial backer Kevin O'Leary? One of the most mind-blowing times to purchase stocks and contribute is precisely when others have decided not to contribute, presumably inspired by a paranoid fear of the stock declining in what was in store compared with a considerable lot of its rivals. Tesla has serious areas of strength for the future, so purchasing the stock right now at a low cost could offer you a chance to turn into a mogul in only 1 year on the off chance that the market recuperates fast enough. Hello folks, invite back to Tesla tomorrow. Kevin O'Leary is a renowned business visionary or finance manager from Canada, and he's most popular for his entertainers. Mr. Magnificent all through his appearances on the U.S. business pitching unscripted TV drama Shark Tank. O'Leary is major areas of strength for a magnate with an eye for speculations, and this could be one reason why he put resources into Tesla throughout the long term. He's turned into a believed financial backer with a decent handle of speculation techniques and market advancement. In 2020, the master said that Tesla was his best performing stock at the time, while crediting the greater part of this speculation to his child, who urged him to purchase Tesla. Partakes in 2019, expressing that the vehicle organization isn't an auto organization but instead a computer-based intelligence and information innovation one. Kevin O'Leary is one of the key vital financial backers who is hopeful about the securities exchange and Tesla specifically. Given his few bullish explanations about Tesla, O'Leary's remarks might propose that purchasing Tesla stock in spite of the plunge might be an effective method for getting better yields in the future. Might you at any point truly become a tycoon by putting resources into Tesla stock? We should figure it out yet before we do. In the event that you like this kind of satisfied, remember to like and buy in and turn on warnings to push modern on everything along on with Tesla. As of late, the financial exchange has been going through fierce times as stock costs, particularly those of Tesla, progress forward with a descending pattern. There have been an excessive number of remarks about Tesla's underestimated stock, and that has kept numerous financial backers in a position where they need to pick whether to purchase the plunge or sell their portions. This could be an extremely confounding state for financial backers, as potential gain may be gigantic assuming the securities exchange recuperates and develops anyway. Many dangers. One of them is that nobody truly knows when the cost will go up. And that vulnerability has led numerous financial backers to make a big deal about their portions. Tesla stock has encountered a progression of defeats, and most of those have been enough to motivate Musk to utilize a portion of Tesla's portions to purchase the American virtual entertainment stage. On Twitter, following the news, a few financial backers have started developing fairly negative feelings about Tesla stock, despite the fact that some others, like O'Leary, don't feel that this will influence Tesla stock in any capacity. In October, O'Leary expressed that he's glad that Moscow will actually want to helpfully deal with Twitter close by Tesla. He said, "I have watched Musk perpetually, and I think this person is a Teflon man, and he clearly can perform various tasks. I bet on him in this arrangement, and when everything is over, I believe he will have a decent result." O'Leary anticipated that Musk will to be sure expect responsibility once the residue has settled, adding that he feels that Tesla's chief will further develop the online entertainment stage's client experience considerably when he's in control. He additionally expressed that by possessing Twitter, Musk could capitalize on his leverage and prominence on the stage to then help his different organizations monetarily, like Tesla and SpaceX. Hillary referred to the fact that Tesla is the main vehicle organization on Earth that doesn't pay anything on publicizing, adding that not very many individuals get to claim their own unregulated organization. The skirmish of a Musk's endeavor to haul out of his Twitter bargain after at first consenting to purchase the web-based entertainment stage for $54.20 per share is another heightening prior to this year, where Musk said he needed to stay away from suit by getting back to his unique arrangement. The organization's stock cost experienced huge drops as financial backers dreaded what may be coming for Tesla. However, long-term Tesla financial backers didn't imagine that this will be an issue. Tesla has effectively gotten through significantly harder difficulties, so it's presumably going to do likewise here. Hillary accepts that the best putting system in momentum tempestuous times is to go for values of enormous scope, organizations with a solid estimating influence that can endure every inflationary cycle, and that is precisely exact thing Tesla's doing. The vehicle organization has needed to fight the expansion emergency in this previous year, and this has been particularly unmistakable in pretty much every part of the economy and specific the automakers. expense of creation. In light of this, Tesla's raised the costs of its vehicles, and it continues to do this to lessen costs however much as could reasonably be expected. Elori referenced that organizations that can remain during these difficult stretches frequently have potential plans of action and lower obligation levels, permitting them to give their caused expenses for shoppers and financial backers. The EV market's been very cutthroat as of late anyway. The development paces of erasing UV organizations like Tesla have not decelerated by O'Leary. He considers the free income and monetary record of an organization as opposed to zeroing in on remarks about a stock. As per a detailed information, Tesla made north of 900,000 cars last year. About a year after the pandemic, the vehicle organization likewise sold stock worth $16.4 billion in the principal quarter of 2022 and unveiled an overall gain adding up to $3.3 billion. These figures surpassed money road gauges for the organization and showed that Tesla is still strategically set up to continue to lead the EV business. The automaker has a ton of designs set up to save it here for quite a while, and this could be one reason why O'Leary stays bullish on Tesla stock. As per ongoing news, Tesla is planning to offer another Model Y trim for 2023 with a standard reach all-wheel drive arrangement and 4,680 battery cells that have recently landed endorsement from the EPA. Tesla had recently fabricated a Model Y with a standard reach all-wheel drive powertrain at this gigafactory in Texas in April, yet they just offered it to representatives. The vehicle had 279 miles of reach and offered a better all-wheel drive arrangement anyway, and it was being sold at near $60,000, which was an extensively significant expense for the reach it offered. Tesla's 4680 cells could enter large-scale manufacturing before the year's over, as the vehicle organization is as of now working with providers like Panasonic to foster models of the phone in anticipation of enormous scope creation 1 year from now. In July, Monroe and Partners, an organization that destroys vehicles, dismantled one of the Tesla Model Ys to study the battery. The specialists uncovered numerous specialized viewpoints about the battery, adding that it looks pivotal even from the external. What's more, it's extraordinarily light. It just weighs 1,200 pounds, while the battery pack for a few different EVs weighs 2 times this. While this might appear to be an unimportant sum in the car world, that is something that can really assist Tesla with keeping its driving situation in the market. There's no proof of the net deceleration in Tesla's income likely, so it very well may be a shrewd choice to purchase more Tesla shares now that it is as of now exchanging at a low cost. Stock costs are continually changing and are affected by truly changing economic situations and exchanges which respect the stock. There are a huge number of exchanges happening each and every day. Subsequently, the stock cost isn't the most ideal mark of regardless of whether to purchase a stock, particularly in the event that your venture procedure is to purchase for the drawn out plunges might appear to be a terrifying spot to put your cash. It makes the likelihood to get more cash flow thinking about that you could purchase an underestimated stock that can then fill dramatically from now on anyway. Your purchasing choices ought to accommodate your general system and shouldn't rely entirely upon the cost of the stock at this specific time. Money management is dangerous, and you ought to do your own exploration. Be cautious and exercise a reasonable level of effort in finding out about the market and the actual stock. Do you believe it's smart to purchase Tesla shares while they're actually undervalued? Tell us down below, and remember to let us know what your valuation of Tesla stock is. Keeping in mind that you're still here, if you have any desire to find out about what Tesla's been doing throughout the course of recent days, feel free to tap on this next video on your screen. See you there.